What's the meaning of brandy butter? Brandy butter. Brandy butter.
Brandy butter. Brandy butter. Brandy butter is a sweet, creamy mixture made by combining butter, sugar, and brandy. The resulting mixture has a smooth consistency and a rich, buttery flavor with a subtle kick of brandy. It is often served as a topping for warm desserts such as Christmas pudding or mince pies. The combination of the sweet, creamy butter and the warming flavor of brandy creates a delicious flavor that is both indulgent and comforting. When served warm, the brandy butter melts over the dessert, creating a decadent treat that is perfect for special occasions or cozy nights in.